Alright guys,
this is my Honda
2002 Honda Civic SI EP3. This was my boy Tony's. We used to cruise around in this in high school back in the day. Pretty taken care of. Just need to clean it a little bit. Need to put this back together. Recently just got this hood. This car's been sitting for 10 plus years maybe, out in the sun. JDM visors, carbon fiber, Mugen wing, I don't know what exhaust this is. But needs to get replaced. Plans for this is pretty much restore it, make it back to OEM. I already picked up a couple of pieces. Let me show you. Got the hood release, some spark plugs, lug nuts, and a rear wiper. What else? Oh, the driver's seat belt, because it's locked. A mirror, I just got that for the glass. Center console. For the vents, his are locked up. Wipers, radiators leaking. Just picked this up. Right here, got AC lines with the AC lines, and the dryer definitely needs AC back in there. Just pretty much just gonna try to restore it, to have fun with it, make it another daily, because my parents want to buy that, which I don't mind. Just need to have this in running order. And yes, for those who keep asking, I do still have the RSX. Took the kit off, left the side skirts. Definitely still have more parts for this one as well. Not to mention this one is not stock. Not your typical EP3 SI. Alright, here we go. Still needs more work. Get rid of some stuff, add some stuff. So this is a TSX bottom end Type S head with a Type S tranny. Plans for this, like I said, bring it back to OEM. As far as AC, just got to get it running right. then take it to G-Tune for a tune. It is on Honda. Once again, this is just a review of the EP3. Can't wait to start working on this. Been driving it for a while already. Need to put speakers that fit correctly. Clean dash. Just replaced the windshield. Hatch. Shocks still work. Crazy. The cover. Some of his stuff. Obviously it's been leaking for a while.